Hi viewers, I am Nadeem.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to the Farooq Academy. Today we will discuss chapter number 9, exercise 9A, book D3, part number 3. Because this exercise is divided into 3 parts, part number 1 and 2 have been already cleared. So today we will discuss part number 3, starting from question number 10. Read the statement in your textbook. In a figure, HG parallel to QR, GF parallel to PQ and QF ratio FR is equal to P ratio Q. Find the ratio of the area of triangle PHG to the area of triangle PQR. We have to find the ratio. So in question number 10, first of all you have to write what is given to you. That is HG is parallel to QR. Second thing is parallel to PQ, that is GF. Similarly, QF ratio FR is equal to P ratio Q. It means QF is your P and FR is your Q. So what we have to calculate here, that is area of triangle PHG and triangle PQR. That is area of, similarly, area of triangle PHG to the triangle PQR. We have to find this. Since we know that, but the given fig which has been given in your textbook, we have to draw here. That is like this. That is your Q, that is this point is your H, that point is your G, and that point is your F. Join this. So this one is your P and this one is your Q as by given condition. So this side must be equal to this because these are parallel, so it is also your P, and that point is your P and that is your G. Now you can see this, we have two triangle, that is PQR. PQR is a bigger triangle and smaller one is PHG. PHG. So that one is your smaller triangle, that is PHG. So in this figure you can because we have to take the ratio of these two triangles, because since we have area of triangle, area of triangle PHG divided by area of triangle PQR, that is equal to HG divided by QR whole square. So that is your simple formula, as we have discussed in 9 questions, 8 number question 7, in which we have taken this formula. So by putting HG is your P and QR, that is your QR. You can see in your fig, that is your QR up to here. So up to here it must be P plus Q. So that's why QR must be equal to P plus Q having square. So you can write as, that is P square divided by P plus Q. So we don't have here enough space here, so it means you can say that that is P square divided by P plus Q whole square is your required result. Now coming to the question number 11. Question number 11. Two solid cones are geometrically similar and the height of one cone is 1/2 times that of the other. Given that the height of a smaller cone is 12 cm, find the height of the bigger cone. So this one is a very simple one. Given that the height of cone is equal to 12 centimeter and the height of bigger cone is equal to 12 into 1 whole 1 by 2 times bigger. So just we have to multiply and you will get 12 into, we have to remove the whole number, so 6 multiplied by 3, so you will get 18 centimeter. So that is your required result. This question doesn't belong to this exercise chapter because we have to take similar figures, but here cone is similar, so that one only we have to find the bigger, how much bigger times, just like a multiply. So it's not the typical question regarding in this exercise. Anyhow, now coming to the question number 12. Now question number 12, read the statement. In the diagram, AR is equal to 4 centimeter, QA 3 centimeter and DQ is equal to 7 centimeter. Similarly, PD is equal to 4 centimeter. Find the length of AB and B point, length of BC and ratio of the area. So we have to draw the configuration first, that is question number 12. We have given a fig like this. In this fig you can see that is your R point and that one is your A point and that one is your C, P, that one is your Q and that center point join this vertex R, that is your D. So you can see given that is AR is equal to 4 centimeter, 3 centimeter, that is your QR. Now DQ is equal to 7 centimeter and 4 centimeter, that is PD. Similarly, AB is equal to, and BC we have to find, that is A point and in B point, and in C point we have to find the ratio, that is area of ARB divided by area of triangle BRC, that is area of triangle BRC. This one is your C part. Now in D part we have to find area of triangle BRC, it is given to us, and to the area of triangle PRD, sign of interrogation. So we have to find 4 things in this question. First, in A part, how can we find the AB, that is first you can see here, you have here that is that portion in figure, that is your 3 centimeter, that is your 4 centimeter, that point is your 7 centimeter, that is your 4 centimeter, that point is your B point, and the whole distance from here to here, that is equal to 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So that is your 11 centimeters. So whole. Similarly, the whole distance from here to here, it will be equal to 7 centimeter. So bigger triangle when we use the full length, full height, full base. So that's why we have simplified here in this way. Now coming to first point, we have to find the value of AB, that is we need this AB. So what should we do? We take 2 triangles, that one is DQR, DQR, bigger triangle, and the smaller triangle ABR, that is ABR or BAR. So we take this one. So if we cut the piece, so you can see here by cutting the piece of this triangle, that one is to understand in a better way, that is that point is your B point and A point and R Q D. So that one is your 7 centimeter and the whole bigger one up to here is 7 centimeter, and this one is your 4 centimeter, this one is your 3 centimeter. So if we cut for the A portion, to solve A portion we have to find the value of AB. So since we have two triangles, that one is that triangle R, triangle DQR, and triangle BAR, DQR, bigger triangle and smaller triangle. So in bigger triangle we have a smaller triangle. Often we highlight this smaller triangle. We have to take the similarities properties here. How can we take the ratio of it? That's why if we take the ratio, that is therefore QR divided by AR is equal to DQ divided by AB. So if we take this length into bigger one, similarly and this length will be this one, because QR, that is QR, then AR, then in DQ, that is DQ, and to AB, vertical, horizontal. So in this way we take the ratio of this triangle, because both the triangles are similar triangles, that's why are similar. Therefore we can say that by putting the values, that is DQ is 7. If you see DQ is 7, that one is your 7. You can see here DQ is 7, and AB we have to find. After putting the values, you should be very much careful, that is QR is 7 and AR is 4. By using cross multiplication, drag the denominator. So 7AB is equal to 7 cross 4. So similarly you need the value of AB. So AB is equal to 7 cross 4 divided by 7. 7 will be cancelled. So the value of AB is 4 centimeter. So that is your required result for A part. Similarly for B part, we have another two triangles. If you see the B part, so coming to B part, if we take the that is your 7 centimeter. If we cut the piece for B part, that is we take the triangle, because we have to find the BC exists vertical portion, so we take the triangle. If we cut the piece, that is your like this. If I cut the triangle, that one is your B, and that point is your C, that one is your R, Q, P, and once again that is your D, which is represented by this. So this length is equal to 11 centimeter, and this one is your 7 centimeter. This is your 7 centimeter. So bigger triangle, if you take the bigger triangle, so here you have in vertical portion, this point is your A. So since we have similar triangles, that is triangle PQR and triangle CAR are similar. Okay, if they are similar, so we take the ratio, that is QR to the AR, bigger to smaller by AR. Similarly PQ to AC, PQ to AC, vertical bigger, vertical smaller. So we take the ratio. Now the value of PQ is 11, but AC is equal to, if we see AC is equal to that is your AC, that is AC full, you know, AB plus BC. We can write AC, that is AB plus BC. So the value of QR is 7 and AR is 4. So, and in next step, what is the value of because we have to find the value of BC, but what is the value of AB? We have calculated, that is in portion number 1, that is 4 AB. So here 7 by 4. By using cross multiplication, you can write here, that is you can see here by dragging the denominator to numerator, that is 7 into 4 plus BC is equal to 4 multiplied by 11. So multiply 28 plus 7 BC 44. So we need the value of BC, 44 minus 28. We need the value of BC, that is 44 minus 28, you will get 16. So we need BC, so divided by 7. So this is your required result, but you can divide it and you can get the result in whole number. Therefore you can also say that R, this one is equal to 16 divided by 7. You will get 2 whole 2 by 7. This one is also your centimeter, this one is also your centimeter. So that is your required result for B part. Now similarly you have to solve for C part also, that is for C part we have to find the ratio, that is since area of triangle ARB divided by area of triangle BRC, that must be equal to, that is AB divided by BC. So both triangle area compare with the length. We are not taking square of these lengths. In previous lectures we have taken the length L1 L2, we take the square of it. Why we have not taken the square? Because when you have the common height, so because height is common, when you have a common height, that is as height is common for both the triangles, if we use this triangle bigger one and the smaller one, similarly if you take the ARB, for example, that is ARB, this small triangle to the BRC, so same height we are taking because height is common on the same side. So that's why we cannot take the square. Height, when height is common, we cannot take the square. This thing is clear to the concept, that is in your textbook. It is written here, that is as you can see, as common height is equal to the ratio of the bases of two triangles. So only common height, that's why we take only the lengths or bases, not the square of it. That is the main point. That's why, because initially we take the square. In that cases we don't have common heights, that's why we take the square of it. Here common height we take only without square, that's why. So putting the values, now question is very much easy. By putting the values, that is 4 by BC is your 16 by 7. So after multiplication, so invert it, you will get 4 multiplied by 7 divided by 16. So you can say that that is equal to by, if you simplify it, for ones are 4, for fours are 16, so 7 by 4 is your required result, or you can write in a ratio form, that is 7:4. So 7:4 is your required result. Now coming to the D part of the same question. Now D part, we have to find the area of triangle BRC divided by area of triangle PRD, which is equal to BD, that is equal to BC divided by PD. Now here you see, we take the square of it. When we take the BRC, that is BRC, this one, and to the PRD, this one, and PRD, both the triangles, you can see height is not common. This one is separate height, this one is separate height, so we take the square. When initially we have take the two triangles in which height is common, that's why we cannot take the square of it. So that is the technical point. Now by putting the values, BC we have already calculated, that is 16 by 7. Now PD is 4 having square, so simplify it, 16 by 7 multiplied by 4 having square, so you will get 16 square and 28 square. So after simplification, you can say that that is equal to that is equal to 4 by 7 whole square. So after simplification or cutting, if this step is a little bit confusing, why not I should have to clear it, that is, you are actually like this. Now by using table, simplify it, 4 4s are 16 and 7 4s are 28, so like this you can write as. So that is your simplified form. Now by removing the square, you can say 4 4s are 16 and 7 7s are 49, 7 7s are 49, so you can write. So how can you write in ratio form, that is 16:49 is your required result. Now coming to the question number 13. Question number 13. Read the statement. In a diagram, PQ is parallel to AC, and given that BQ 4 cm, BC is 10 cm, then how can we find in a part, that is area of a triangle ABC? First, what has been given to us we have to write. That is given in question number 13. That is PQ is parallel to AC. Similarly, 4 cm is your BQ and BC is 10 cm, and the triangle BPQ 8 cm square, and we have to find the area of triangle ABC, that is area of triangle, and second area of triangle PQC, and third one is your AQC, that is area of. So in A part we have to find this, B part and C part. So we have to find three things here. First of all, we have to draw the diagram, because without diagram we cannot judge what to do. And this one, and you can see here that portion is your P, and that portion is your Q. So join this, and this vertex is joined with this, so this one is your A, C, and Q, this one is your B. So full length is actually, which is equal to up to here to here, that is, that one is your 4 centimeter. So total length is 10. It is given to us 10 centimeter BC. It is given BC 10, and so we have to, like this, we have to write like this. This one is your 10 centimeter. So it is clear. Now what to do? First we have to find the area of a triangle ABC, but it should be noted here. So that is, let length, if we ABC, bigger triangle and smaller triangle, we take that is your ABC, smaller triangle is AQC, and so let we say, if we use the formula that we often suppose, that the value of BQ, suppose that is your L1, and BC, because full side is used here, so it is your L2, and area is in A part, the 8 centimeter, that is area is A1. So in A part you can see, let we say, let that is your area A2 we have to find. So we have a simple formula as for the solution of A part, as A1 by A2 is equal to L1 by L2 whole square, because height is not common, that's why we taking the square of it in formula. So putting the values or simplifying it, so after putting the values, L1 is 4, that is your 10 square, A1 is your 8, we have to find A2. So by removing the square and simplifying it, you can see here. Now coming to see here, we don't have there enough space here, so simplify it here. You can see here we have, after simplification, that is putting the value, drag, first of all we have to find the remove the square of it, that is A2 is equal to 4 4s are 16, and that is 100 by cross multiplication, 16 A square, 8 into 100, that is equal to 800 divided by 16. We need the value of A2, so A2 is divided with the help of calculator, so you can get 50 centimeter square is your required area. That is your result for first A part. Now for B part, if we see the statement, so for B part, so we have to cut the triangle, otherwise it will be a great problem for you. For example, this triangle is cut, and like this, you can see that is your B, C, A, that point is your P, and that point is your Q, that one and that one. If we cut the piece from this triangle to here, to clear the concept that you need actually this shaded portion, because you need the area of PQC, you need the area of PQC, that area you need that area PQC. So it means I have to shade here to clear the concept. Now shaded area you need, since if we see the diagram, the area of PQC is equal to area of ABC minus area of triangle BPQ. B, you see the fig, that is area of BPQ. So that is your triangle ABC, there is also your triangle. So putting the values, now just area of ABC, just in previous part you have calculated, that one is your 50, and it is given to you area of PQ, it is given to us in your question, that is 8. So 42 centimeter square is your required area of triangle PQC. So now coming to the C part of the same question. In C part we have to find the area of AQC. So we have two triangles, that is here triangle ABC, triangle ABC full fig, and triangle AQC, this one AQC. We have to take the two triangles and by using the similarity properties. So since we have that area of AQC, triangle AQC, divided by area of triangle ABC, that bigger one, is equal to bigger one having BC side, and this one is your that is QC. So putting the values here, that is QC is equal to 6, BC is 10 with the help of this diagram. If you cut the piece from here, you can see we need the area of AQC, area of triangle AQC. We need the area of triangle AQC, smaller triangle. So we have to subtract this area of bigger triangle, that one is your 50. So if you cut the piece to clear the concept of it, that is you need what? You need this portion. You need, if you take the piece of a triangle outside from the given fig, you can easily understood that that is your B, that is your P, that is your A, C, that one join with this one, that vertex join with this one. So you can say that is your, so you need what? You need the shaded portion, that is only you need that portion, that is AQC, you need that one, that portion you need. So you need that portion of triangle AQC. So full triangle you have ABC and you need AQC, and this triangle is AQC. So R, the other triangle is ABQ. So you need this portion. What you should do by taking the ratios of known to the unknown. So this is your unknown, this is your known. So bigger triangle, after putting the values here, so by using cross multiplication, so area of triangle AQC is equal to 6 by 10 multiply by 50. By using cross multiplication, 0 will be cancelled, so 6 5s are 30. So 30 centimeter square is your required result. If you take the similar two triangles I have shown here clearly. I hope that this exercise is helpful to you. So thanks a lot. Thank you for watching.